I guess you won't be going to dances in college. This is our last one. You know, Davis has a terrific theater program if you're still interested in theater. Are you?
I'm probably no good at acting. Why can't I look like the girls from the magazines?
I wish I could meet this Kyle before prom.
He's not my boyfriend anymore. I mean, he probably never even was.
I'd still like to meet him.
It's too tight.
Fuck. I suggested you shouldn't have taken that second helping of pasta.
Mom!
Honey, you sound upset. I'm just trying to help you.
Mom, you're going to give me an eating disorder. I wish I could get an eating disorder.
I love it. Is it too pink? What?
Why can't you just say I look nice?
I thought you didn't even care what I think.
I still want you to think I look good.
Well, I was telling you the truth. Did you want me to lie?
No. I just wish that you liked me.
Well, of course I love you.
But do you like me?
I just want you to be the best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version?
Suspended? How could this happen? Everything we do is for you. Everything. You think I like driving this car around? Do you?
No.
You think I like working a double at the hospital?
No.
You needed to go to Catholic school because your brother saw someone get knifed at the public school. Is that what you want?
No.
Larry, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You think that Dad and I don't know how ashamed you are of us? Your dad knows. Your dad knows why you ask him to drop you off a block away from the school every day.
Dad, I didn't mean to.
You made him feel horrible. Horrible. Do you know that?
I'm sorry.
Marion, you didn't have to bring that up.
No, Larry. You can't just be the nice guy all the time. She has to know. She has to know how you feel. Otherwise, she'll think she can say whatever she wants, and it won't matter. Wrong side of the tracks.
I didn't mean it that way. It was a joke.
Yeah, it's just a joke. Mom and Dad, they don't care. We didn't think we'd be in this house for 25 years. We thought we'd move somewhere better. But everything we do, it's never enough.
It is enough.
Do you know how much it costs to raise you? How much you're throwing away every day?
Give me a number.
I don't understand.
Give me a number for how much it cost you to raise me, and I'm going to get older and make a lot of money and write you a check for what I owe you so that I never have to speak to you again.
I highly doubt you will get a job good enough to do that.